everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at how does OpusSearch differ from other video tools. So let's get started. Let's look at the features, then we'll look at OpusSearch and the typical video tool, what it offers. So we'll start with AI powered search. OpusSearch offers deep search by speaker, object, topic, mood, or even visuals, while a typical video tool is often limited to transcripts or manual tags. Then the second feature is natural language queries. OpusSearch allows you to search using plain English. For example, find all scenes with laughter. As simple as that. While a typical video tool requires exact keywords or manual browsing, which can be tiring. Then let's look at the third feature, which is instant clipping and posting. OpusSearch allows you to search results that are auto-clipped, captioned, and ready to share, while typical video tools require separate editing, exporting, and formatting. Now let's look at the next feature, which is trend-driven discovery. OpusSearch surfaces content that matches real-time trends, while typical video tools has no built-in trend tracking. Let's look at monetization focus. For OpusSearch, it has built-in tools for monetizing archives like ads and branded content, while typical video tools do monetization is manual or outside the platform. Let's look at the next feature, which is automated cataloging. OpusSearch has auto-indexes entire archives, supports CMS and YouTube integration, while typical video tools typically have manual organization or require third-party software. The next feature we're going to look at is compilation and channel tools. OpusSearch easily group clips into themed playlists and niche video streams, but other typical video tools require complex manual effort or additional tools to be able to compile these clips. Next, we're going to look at the last feature we're looking at is creator growth support. OpusSearch acts as a strategic growth engine, not just a technical editor. Why other video editing? Well, editing is focused, yes, but with limited strategic value. So that is how OpusSearch compares, or in this case, differs, or should I say, that is how OpusSearch lords over other video tools.